Tēnā tātou e te iwi, he kupu whakamihi tēnei, he kupu whakapiki wairua tēnei. Whānau, this is the end of the first week of the noho taratahi, staying at home, and we really want to mihi to all of you. Hope is powerful. Karakia for the wairua is all important, and tahitanga will help us overcome. Even while we are physically apart, make sure you are connecting with our kaumātua and with each other.
Whānau, by keeping safe, by staying home and doing our part to support each other, we can and we will get through this. In the current climate, our tikanga around tangihanga is going to have to change for now. It won't always be like this. The Ministry of Health and the district health boards have given us some clear guidelines. Check out our Facebook page for a comprehensive update.
Whānau, a reminder that Te Hiwa will be at Te Puaha Pōpō, stationed at the following marae, ko Rairoa, Tauranganui and Te Awa Marahi. See our schedule for the updates on our Facebook page. Whānau, also, Te Hiwa packed down a little bit earlier than we expected today. Aroha mai, the DHB have promised us that it won't happen again. They have also committed to getting Te Hiwa back to Hora Marae on Monday. We will post those details in the coming days. Whānau, we also had 150 come out to get their free flu vaccine, and there's been no issues. Choice one, whānau. That's exactly what we want to hear, and we want to have more of you come out and get those free flu vaccines.
Whānau, we touched base with some of our whānau in Australia today. Not through our taurahire, but really through the comments on Facebook. And it was absolutely fantastic to touch base with some of our cousins, our aunties, our nephews, our mokos over in Australia. Our Aussie whānau, we want to wish you all the best. We understand that there are different issues happening in Aussie, but your whakapapa is still Waikato Tainui, and we are thinking about you during this time.
Whānau, to close off tonight, we thought we would replay to you a few gems from the feedback that you have been sharing with us over the week. Putting all our minds, hearts and our brains together, we have a wrap-up of gems.
We heard that some of you have already put a whole lot of weight on and expect to put more on. Kia kaha ki te kai, whānau.
We saw that some of you on Facebook are dressing up your top half for online meetings. Ka pai.
And whānau, if you're homeschooling our tamariki, please don't suspend or expel them. And teachers, don't get caught drinking on the job. Cheers, whānau.
Oh, karawe. Whānau, we want to finish with the wisdom of just two Māori nurses, and we remind you, based on their, I love the way our two Māori nurses relay the Ministry of Health messages in a way that we can understand. So I encourage you, check them out on Facebook, just two Māori nurses, and we reiterate their message, which is, the virus doesn't move, we move. The virus will stop moving if we do, so lock it down, whānau.
Wash and dry your hands with soap. Catch your cough and stay in your bubble.
Finally, pray, have your karakia and be kind and be safe. We are only a Facebook message or phone call away. Call 0800 Tainui. Kia ora te iwi.
Amohi ake te ora o te iwi. Ka puta ki te whēiao.
To protect the people is paramount. Pai Māori re.
Pai Māori re.